Menteri rang ba ka Meghalaya u Conrad ki sang ma hakani ka ski ba ar ka khatlai tarik nailar arajar pusau ula Plie ka per rapted ka Mendipathar ka North Garo Hills ya kani ka project late ka jinglot ka bach Klur ban kentiu ya ka kam rapted ling ba kani ka per rapted kan ai jingmentoi omduna ya ka 1000 ngut kinong rap ya kani ka project la pentrei ka Mendipathar multipurpose cooperative society hapo ka jingalam ka sister Rose bat la bay pisa da ka SFRUTI scheme na ka MSME bat like Klur la say na kapla ka sorkar jela hagani ka program menteri rang ba ula ka we la maru yaki kalikit jri na mar ba ka north bat ka east Garo Hills ka day ka bajpen mi jri bun ba hakathan bat ka sorkar kan kershan ni kinong rap hakani ka kam ya ka shin unit ru la aish ka Mendipathar multipurpose cooperative society
Yeah, where's the thing? Yeah. These are the dried. These are the dried mushrooms that are there.
Nakam senana.
Yeah. But definitely it tastes much very differently. So this is the kind of products that are coming out of this. And their packaging is done with this one?
Yes.
All these machines that you're seeing out here is all powered by solar. So so you can imagine the cold storage as well as the dryers, the crushers, this slicing machine and the crushing machines. All of them are powered by solar energy. About 180 kilowatt kV power has been installed out here. And like this, almost all the processing units that we have put up throughout the state are all on solar powered. And if you were to calculate all of that put together, you must be touching almost, hundreds and hundreds of kilowatt of solar energy that we are producing just for the processing sector. So this is a very good example and a great aspect that we are very, very happy about. मैंने यह मशरूम नी processing plant by ya cluster unit ya bana main dam chat big pa unit ke sakma dalu mushroom ni demand na main high anchine Garo Hills ko sunyenga ande ba anchine Guwahati rango anchine Delhi Kolkata da dal gapa city rango aru ya anchine city rang sonok ja ande ba gapana song rango Japan rango, Singapore rango, dalo mushroom ni demand na main hayo ah. Unigaman dalo yerang ko atsung na me organize ka imang, yerang ko ge imang, yerang ko atsung na me process ka imang, yako package ka ay atsung palamat na ode, atsung ni manderang ba nam gepa cholko mat gen ane magsonge dalo ya processing plant ko yan skang gepa. That's your sister Rose sinakaning itsun. Yan northeast kumbako, yan skangapa nakapa plant, nakapa processing unit. Hindi man itsun sapkantian, na simang sapkantian na men, kusiyok na nga, aro na men, rasong sana na nga. Talo yan sini, Garo Hills ni, mushroom again. Yan na ba, ang sister Rose ko nga, mulas ka, yan na ba, namgapa may ba, bimang ko sa diyo namgen kon, nokma ice cream ko dan sing mengjok awang chips ko ba ambuno mushroom na ba may ba namgepa at skuchi namgepa product ko bukot na matnode namma bimengchi ono dan sini Garo Hills ko ba mungsingen ani nga bibir aw ni gaman ko ba nga sister Rose ko nga ya so many pa ko nga molas ka nambat